Hey everyone, Joanne Butler here. Let's talk summer hair, a brand we absolutely love at LifeMinute, hair food. They believe, as I do, that what you put on your hair is just as important as what you eat. Their mission, super simple: nourish your hair like you nourish your body. They're inspired by clean, simple, kitchen-crafted recipes full of all the nourishing ingredients you want and none of the things you don't. Each of their blends is a crafted recipe to cleanse and nourish your hair without sulfates, dyes, or parabens, designed to protect color-treated hair. All of their products are PETA and cruelty-free. They're just amazing. Two products in particular we're loving. This is the coconut milk and chai spice. Super yummy, just bursting with comforting creamy coconut milk and chai spice scents. And this one gives your hair a pick-me-up, just livens and volumizes. And of course your hair smells amazing afterwards, just $7.99. And this is the hemp extract and manuka honey damage recovery serum. Great when you need a refresh, just repairs and hydrates and gets back your natural shine, just $9.99. And then finally, the avocado and argan oil smoothing hair mask. This is like treating your hair to a spa day. Just smooths your hair from the root to the tip, helps you get the styles you love. After your shampoo, you just put a small amount in your palm, you'll work it through with your fingers, leave on for like 3 to 5 minutes, and then rinse it out. It's just $2.99. You can find hair food at Walmart, Target, and Amazon. To learn more about them, check out hairfood.com. You will not be sorry.